Welcome to the farm. Farmers do important jobs every day to put food on our tables. It takes a lot of equipment to do those jobs, so let's take a look at some farm machines. Farmers use many kinds of equipment like these machines to do all of those jobs. Some farmers use newer equipment, and some farmers use older equipment. But new or old, they both can do the same kinds of jobs. Farmers use machines to prepare soil, for planting seeds, and for harvesting their crops. They use machines to make hay for their animals to eat and straw for them to sleep on. They use machines for mowing, scooping, and carrying. Let's take a look at some of those machines from A to Z. ATVs, all-terrain vehicles, are used for moving farmers and supplies. Bale spears are used for moving hay bales. Balers are for baling hay and straw. Booms are for lifting and lowering things. Buckets are used for lifting and scooping. Combines are used for harvesting crops. Disc bines are used for cutting hay. Feed mixers are used for mixing animal feed, and grain heads are used on combines to harvest crops. Harrows are used for preparing the soil for planting. Hay wagons are used for hauling hay. Hay bines are used for cutting hay. Manure spreaders are used to spread manure on fields. And mowers come in all sizes for mowing pastures and crops. Planters plant the seeds. Post hole diggers are for making holes. Rakes put the hay in rows. Silage harvesters are used for harvesting silage for cows. And skid steers are used for lifting and hauling. Sprayers are used to spray crops. Tedders are used to fluff the hay so it dries. Tractors are the workhorses on the farm. They do it all. From pushing to pulling, trailers are used to haul things. Utility vehicles haul supplies, and windrowers cut hay. Let's take a close look at some of those balers. Balers come in all sizes, shapes, for different square bales, round bales, and small square bales. And colors. Farmers always have their favorite. Green or red, orange or blue. These machines harvest straw and hay. This one makes small square bales and then bundles them together into 21 bales to a bunch, and then drops them on the ground for the farmer to pick up. Here goes a round bale. Here goes another one. And a bale of straw. There are giant straw balers and small balers for straw. Our next big machines are combines, the giants of the farm. They are so big, they have to put their arms back when they travel on the road and take off the heads and put them on a trailer to go down the road. Some combines are old, like this 12-foot head on a 1969 combine. And some combines are new, like this 35-foot head on this 2012 combine. The combines dump their grain into either a small bin, like the old one, or big combines dump into trucks. Combines move slowly because there's a lot going on inside of that machine. The combine picks up the grain. This is a field of wheat. It scoops it up. It separates the seed heads from the stalks and stores the seeds inside and spits out the stalks as straw for animals to sleep on from the back end. They move very slow because they have a lot of work going on inside. Let's take a look at some other machines on the farm. Farming is usually a pretty slow process, but thanks to the magic of video, we can speed it up a bit. As we watch our farmers hard at work, going in fast forward. Farmers work hard all day long out in their fields and their barns, from sunup to sundown. Put the food on our tables. So the next time you eat, remember just how many machines it took to put the food on your table. Thanks for visiting the farm with me, and come back next time to visit Cassie and Kay's Critters. For more information about farm machinery, check out Hoopla, our digital collection, to find more great farm books. And thank you to our farmer friends and Hoovers Incorporated for allowing us to visit their farms and businesses.